Assalamu alaikum. Do you want to speak English fluently but don't know where to start? Don't worry. Start from listening. If you look back to the process how you learned your own language, you would find that you listened a lot before speaking. You listened, and listened a lot from people at your own surroundings. You absorbed words, absorbed sounds rather than learning grammar or going through textbooks. It is the same process if you want to learn English. You have to listen a lot. Now the question is what to listen. There are a lot of things online to listen, but from my perspective, I would like to suggest you that listen podcast a lot. Why listening to podcast? Listening to podcast has a lot of benefits. At one hand, it will improve your listening skill. On the other hand, it will enrich you with a lot of vocabularies and knowledge. I have a declaration now that I am going to host podcast on every Saturday, Monday, and Wednesday. And I will be discussing I will be discussing many national, international, and life-related issues. Those episodes will be uploaded on every Saturday, Monday, and Wednesday on my Facebook page and YouTube channel. So, my message is to for those who are eager to learn English. I would like to request to all of you who are very eager to learn English to listen to those podcasts and start your journey to fluency.